Next step in the Eggs Benedict is to fry up our ham or Canadian bacon. That's up to you. I prefer Canadian bacon because it is already round in size and it has a good thickness for this recipe. So we're going to take a few pieces out. I prefer to use olive oil when frying, as olive oil is a lot healthier for you. We're going to be sauteing the bacon on a high heat. Just about enough oil to cover the bottom. Once we have the pan heated, the oil should be at around smoking point, which means you have oil jumping out of the pan. We're going to place the bacon in there. In French, sauté means to jump, as the product tends to jump around the pan. You want just a little color on the bacon on both sides, as bacon is already cooked. And once you see it curling on the edges, we're done.